An Airbus 330 aircraft operated by China's Hainan Airlines flew from Pulkovo Airport in St. Petersburg to Beijing Capital Airport on Sunday, marking the resumption of direct flights from Russia's second-largest city to the Chinese capital after nearly 3 years of halt. According to the current plan, Hainan Airlines will operate the flights once a week on Sundays. The Civil Aviation Administration of China announced that the country had resumed regular passenger flights with 58 countries after it removed certain COVID-19 restrictions on international passenger flights from January 8, 2023. It said the number of countries handling flights to or from China and airlines operating these flights resumed to 64% and 80% respectively of the level in the same period of 2019.